That was where the downfall really began in the late 50s. The Yiddish was still very strong through the 20s, 30s, 40s, and into the late 50s. But after the establishment of the State of Israel in 1948, there began this transition from Yiddish, which was now representing the old country, the slaughter of the Holocaust, the old world, to this new and exciting Israeli, Hebrew, we are strong Jews mentality. And so kids didn't go to Yiddish schools anymore. They started going to Sunday Hebrew schools. They stopped learning Yiddish. They started learning Hebrew. And so that transition started as the late 50s and 60s and certainly into the 70s and beyond. But we were still strong. I mean, there were still hundreds of Yiddish schools when I was growing up. There was the Shalom Aleichem Institute, there were the Peretz, Yud Lamed Peretz, the Workmen's Circle, there was the Bund. I mean, there were just all these Yiddish organizations, and every organization had its own school system, and every school system had its own. It was a world that was still thriving at the time, and that was what I was brought up in.